got our head here we're working on. We've got it glued down, we've sanded it down, so we're ready to work on the neck piece. So we want to line this up where we want it to go. So we'll mark this out in here. And we're going to have to cut this piece off. This piece will be removable, so if we ever have to get inside to make repairs, we'll be able to do that. So first thing we'll do is cut this piece off. So we got that cut off, so what we're going to do is mark it also in here. Line this back up. So that's got to get cut there. We don't want to get too far down on it, so we want to mark where this is going. So we'll cut this piece off here and down in here. So we'll cut this out, and then we'll be ready for the next piece. Thanks for watching.